Hello student, this is Manisha Tomar on my YouTube channel Chemistry for All Exams, and this is second part of the chemical kinetics. In first part we have discussed about what is definition of chemical kinetics, some basic concepts of chemical kinetics, rate of reaction, change in average rate of reaction, instantaneous reactions and all. And in this part we will discuss factors affecting the rate of reaction. Students, this is a very important part for board examination, for all board examination. Which factors affect the rate of reactions? This is very important question for all the boards examinations. First is the nature of reactants. First factor which affect the rate of reaction, that is nature of the reactants. Nature of the reactants means which type of reactant we have used in the reaction. The rate of chemical reaction is influenced by the nature of the reactants. We have two types of reactants, polar and ionic reactants and covalent compounds. The polar and ionic compounds show quite fast reaction. Polar and ionic compounds show quite fast reaction as compared to covalent compound. So the rate of reaction of a chemical reaction depends on the nature of the reactant. If reactant is polar or ionic in nature, that means rate of reaction will be fast, means reaction will complete in a very short time. But if compound is covalent, then it will be slow, because there is there is a covalent bond which takes time to breaking in the bond, covalent bond. For example, we have seen here two examples. When NO gas react with oxygen, it gives nitrogen dioxide, NO2. This is a fast step. This reaction complete a very fast. But when CO, carbon monoxide, react with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide, but this reaction is a very slow reaction. So nature of reactant, if polar, NO is the polar and CO gives O2 and CO2. So these are the examples of two reactions which show different characteristics. Reactant shows different characteristics and we find the different rate of reactions. Why these are? Because difference in the rate of these two reactions due to the difference in energy involved in the rearrangement. Mainly difference in the energies. Both reactions have different energies in the bonds rearrangement. That's why this is a slow and one is the fast reaction. Second factors which affect the rate of reaction is concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants. Generally students, when you increase the concentration of any chemical reaction, collision will be increases between the molecules. If number of molecules increase, then collision will be increased. Then collision will increase, then rate of reaction will be increased. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactants. If concentration of reactant will be increases, then rate of reaction will be increases. If concentration decreases, then rate of reaction decreases. Why? Due to increase in the collisions, then molecular collision increase होगा तो क्या होगा? Molecular collision increase होने से rate of reaction क्या होगा? Increase होगा. Next factor which affect the rate of reaction is the temperature. Temperature, generally, if we increase the temperature, molecule collide each other, their kinetic energy increases. When kinetic energy increases, then molecules move here and there and collide to each other. That's why when increase the temperature, kinetic energy will be increases and rate of reaction also increases. So temperature is directly proportional to the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, with increase the temperature, rate of reaction will be increases. Next one is the presence of catalyst. Student, we have different types of catalyst. Some catalysts, first of all know that what are catalysts. Catalysts are those substances which increase or decrease the rate of reaction without change of their own concentration. They participate in any reaction to complete, but their concentration remains constant or same. So catalysts are those substances which involve in a reaction without changing their own concentration. एक जनरली एक कैटलिस्ट क्या करता है, रिएक्शन के रेट को इंक्रीज कर देता है. अगर इफ यू आर यूजिंग पॉजिटिव कैटलिस्ट it will be increase the rate of reaction. If you are using negative catalyst then reaction rate decrease कर देता है. So it depends on the nature of the catalyst. If catalyst is positive then reaction rate will be increases. If catalyst is negative then reaction rate will be decreases. So it depends on the nature of the catalyst. Next one is the surface area. Students, surface area. If you improve or increase the surface area, molecules can move here and there fastly. That's why the kinetic energy increases. With large surface area, molecule move here and there easily and collide to each other. That's why with increasing the concentration, surface area, rate of reaction will be increases. Rate of reaction will be increases with surface area. So it is also directly proportional to the surface area. Increase the surface area, rate of reaction will be increases. If decrease the surface area, rate of reaction will be decreases, because when size is increased, आपने देखा ही है, solids are very less reactive as compared to liquids and gases, because liquid gases have much more space, so they can easily collide, they can easily move here and there, they have high kinetic energy, they have high energy to combine each other. So and solid have very few space between them, very few space area, that's why they cannot easily react. So with increasing the surface area, rate of reaction will be increases. So in this part we have discussed about the factors affecting rate of reaction in kinetics. If you like this video, please like, review, and thank you so much for watching this video.